Well, do remember, trouble continues to mount for the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Mohinder Goyal. The Delhi police has issued yet another notice to him after his signature was found on some of these documents allegedly linked to Bangladeshi immigrants. Now, Mohinder Goyal has broken his silence. He once again has called this a political conspiracy and has further said that the whole story is fabricated, that the party is going to win the elections in all 70 constituencies in the Delhi battle. Listen in.
ये सब कुछ राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र है और इसके बारे में आज जो नोटिस आया, मैं तो घर पे नहीं था, यहीं पे चुनाव प्रचार के अंदर हम लोग लगे हुए हैं और उनको मैंने जवाब दे दिया कि मैं इस तारीख को आ रहा। चुनाव के अंदर पता लग रहा है कि 17 में 17 सीटें दिल्ली के अंदर आ रही हैं, इसलिए ये चुनावी स्टंट बनाया है।
I'm going to go across to Anshul, my colleague, joining us with more details. Anshul, do tell us about, the version of the Aam Aadmi Party. Apart from Mr. Goyal calling this political conspiracy, he has been subjected to yet another notice. And the BJP was quick to rake that and say that he's trying to escape the heat of the agencies because there's lots more than meets the eye. So what's his version exactly, apart from, just calling it political conspiracy? Where do the merits lie here?
Well, the merits of this entire allegation is being looked into at this point in time, because remember, the evidence that the Delhi police has found at this point of the investigation is that there were a handful of illegal Bangladeshi immigrants who were living out here in the national capital in the South District, and there were certain documents that were recovered from them that had the stamp and insignia of the MLA of Rithala, Mohinder Singh, Mohinder Goyal, and then the Delhi police is trying to, at this point in time, figure out if the insignia and the signature are actually are actually original, or if they are fake or fabricated. This is something that is being verified at this point in time, and to verify that and to get the version of the MLA, he has been asked to come in and join into the investigation twice in 2 days now, but he still hasn't gone ahead and joined into the investigation, basically presenting his side of the story. So over the next few days, it is expected that the Delhi police will send out more notices or eventually go to him and ask him for his side of the story as to how his signature and his stamp actually reached those documents that are required to make government identity cards in India. Is something that the MLA will have to explain to the Delhi police within the next few days.
Okay, many